Hey folks, Tom with Cook with Jax here. Tonight we're going to do awesome pork spare ribs, Jax style, right? First thing you're going to do, make sure you got about 3-4 pounds of pork spare ribs. Get them room temperature, pretty important to do. Second, what you're going to want to do is hit them hard with Blue's Blue Ribbon Winner Competition Rub. This is the best in the business. Use it on everything. Next step, we're going to get them on the grill. We're going to braise them. You can also do that on the stove if you want. I prefer the grill, and then we're going to get them in the oven. All right, folks, we're going to get a good char on these outside here in our kamada. No need to do that, though. You can actually do this on the stove top with just a stainless steel or a cast iron pan. Our ribs are off the grill, and now it's time to cook them. We're going to cook them at about 300 till they reach an internal temperature of about 195. Barbecue sauce them up with your favorite sauce. Check out cookwithjaxd.com. We got a great recipe on there for you. If you like them spicy, add some of our hot sauce to them. If you like them sweet, like my family does, add a little honey. Perfect for just adding that extra sweetness, and then a little scallion on top of that. Get them in the oven. See you soon. Jax'd up spare ribs. The best you can have. Blue's Blue Ribbon Winner. Gotta love it. Unleash the flavor in every bite.